Are you looking for the best folding tires bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best folding tires bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Omelaza 26-inch folding mountain bike. The Omelaza folding mountain bike offers a versatile riding experience with its 21-speed system, allowing you to easily select the best gear for any terrain. You'll enjoy a comfortable ride thanks to the adjustable seat and padded shock absorbers, which work together to reduce vibrations. The durable, high-quality tires provide excellent grip and puncture resistance, ensuring a safer journey. Plus, the dual-disc brake system enhances stopping power, giving you more control. With quick-release clips, this bike folds easily for convenient transport and storage, making it perfect for your active lifestyle. What we like: versatile 21-speed system, comfortable adjustable seat, puncture-resistant tires, reliable dual-disc brakes, easy folding mechanism. Number 2. Max 4-Out 26-inch folding mountain bike. The Max 4-Out folding mountain bike is designed for adventure seekers who love exploring rugged trails and neighborhood paths. Its sturdy carbon steel frame ensures durability, allowing you to tackle various terrains with confidence. The durable alloy rims and tires provide a smooth ride, making it easy to navigate over bumpy surfaces. With 21 speed shifters, you can effortlessly switch gears for an adaptable riding experience, whether you're climbing hills or cruising on flat roads. Plus, the quick-release seat post allows you to adjust the seat height quickly, ensuring a comfortable fit for your rides. What we like: durable carbon steel frame, smooth riding on various terrains, easy gear transitions, quick seat height adjustments. Number 3. Mukkpet 1500W electric bike. The Mukkpet electric bike offers a powerful 750W motor with a peak of 1500W, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. This bike features a 48V15Ah removable battery that provides an impressive range of up to 65 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for longer rides. With its full suspension system, you can enjoy a smooth ride over bumpy terrain, ensuring comfort during your journeys. The integrated alloy wheels enhance durability and require less maintenance, allowing you to focus on enjoying your outdoor adventures. What we like: powerful motor for climbing, long-range battery, comfortable full suspension, durable alloy wheels. Number 4. INVANTI 20-inch fat tire electric bike. The INVANTI electric bike offers a smooth and stable ride thanks to its full suspension system and 20-inch fat tires, which absorb shocks from both front and rear wheels. You can enjoy longer rides without worry, as the high-capacity 48V battery allows for up to 45 miles in pedal assist mode. With a powerful 500W motor, peak 900W, this bike reaches speeds of 20 miles per hour and easily tackles hills. Its foldable design makes it convenient for storage and travel, allowing you to adjust the seat and handlebars for a comfortable fit on any journey. What we like: comfortable full suspension, long battery life, powerful motor performance, portable and foldable design. Number 5. NARRAK electric Tricycle 750W. The NARRAK electric trike offers an exciting riding experience with its powerful 750W motor, reaching up to 1350W for peak performance. You'll enjoy enhanced control and stability, thanks to its innovative differential system that allows for different speeds on the rear wheels, making turns smoother. With a UL-certified 48V13Ah battery, you can confidently travel up to 50 miles on a single charge, ideal for longer adventures. The intuitive riding experience allows you to choose from various modes, including pedal assist and full electric, ensuring your ride is tailored to your needs. What we like: powerful motor performance, long battery life, customizable riding modes, enhanced stability and control.